Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a double Dutch braid using Bellami extensions and how I do the braid to make sure that the extensions are nice and hidden. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you guys want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. So the first thing that you guys want to get is obviously a pair of extensions. I got mine from Bellami. I'm going to take a 2-clip weft and clip it right into the extension. This is going to make the weft essentially smaller so that you can hide it in your double Dutch braid. I'm going to part my hair in the middle, and I'm going to take one side of my hair and just pin it back into a pony to keep it out of the way. And now I'm going to start clipping them in. Bellami extensions typically come with a 4-clip weft and a couple 3-clip wefts, but for this particular style, I like to use 2 double wefts and 4 of the single clip wefts. I feel like using smaller ones just makes it a little bit easier to hide them. Now that I have my extensions put in, I'm just going to shake out my hair a little bit and start doing the double Dutch braid. I didn't go into too much detail on how I actually completed the double Dutch braid, just how I put the extensions in and hide them. If you guys want to see a more in-depth video of how I do a double Dutch braid, please let me know in the comments below. This step is completely optional, but I love to fan out my braids to make them look a little bit thicker. And now I'm just going to repeat the same steps with the other side of my hair. And here is the final look, a double Dutch braid style using Bellami extensions. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!